Alright guys, this particular one is a shocking one from Edo State. Remember a couple of days ago, or rather a week or two ago, how 16 men, Fulani Herdsmen, some of them call it, they say now they be hunters. They were lynched and burned alive in Edo State. Ever since, Edo State governor have been crawling from one place to another, apologizing to these people and all that. Like I've said so many times, I'm not in support of anything to do with jungle justice, because you are not sure who might be involved. But when something is a threat to you, you have to single-handedly handle it properly. As we are speaking in Edo State, the insecurity situation right now in Edo State is alarming. Yes, Fulani people, Fulani herdsmen are terrorizing Edo State seriously. A lot of our people have been quite killed for the past years. Throughout Governor Obasanjo's 8 years, Fulani herdsmen bite a lot of people. They have continued the same satanic approach in Governor Okpebolo's satanic government. As we are speaking, Governor Okpebolo is not doing anything about insecurity in Edo State. This particular video that you guys are going to watch might surprise you, or rather might shock you, because some of you might say, now, it don't concern me, until it affects your mama, your papa, your brother, your relatives, your loved ones, your anybody close to you. You have to watch this particular video and see how Fulani herdsmen wives, they transfer bullets and guns for their husband. Watch this video.
This is Fulani that is terrorizing the area. Look at the AK bullet they are using to terrorize the area. Two people carry. Oh yeah, carry on. Two people carry. Oh yeah, the kata. We are trying to locate the gun now. The ammunition they are using to operate it. He said is with the husband. So they used to kidnap and root people things, rape the women in the bush, their husband, kidnap people, kill people inside the bush. So Atogede, we just confirm them now. The Fulani people that is operating the thing. Oh yeah, so they cut them. Oh yeah, the cutter. You put your face. Oh yeah. You. Oh yeah, the cutter. Hey, officer, Payivani like camera now. Oh yeah, the cutter. Oh yeah, back and put. Oh yeah. Where your husband go? Where your husband go? Huh? He go farm. Farm where they for they keep people, they root people, cassava, they kidnap people. Abi, now he go. He want go do kidnapping. Where the gun dey? Nah. Go, hey, where your husband? Where the gun dey? Where the gun dey? Now inside your husband room there for say where the gun dey? Where the gun dey? You know where the gun dey? The gun will not say they use this color bullet. Where your husband go carry and put? You don't know where carry and put. Where your husband carry and put? Hey, where the AK dey?
I don't know for my AK. You don't know.
Who come? Where they for see this one? Not be where you carry the go.
No, bro.
Where you not be where you carry the go. Not be there for see the color.
No.
Where you where they for see the color?
Oh, question.
Who carry the go there? Who carry them go there? Who carry them go? Who the whole way carry them go there? Not be you.
No, be you. No be carry gari. No be carry gari.
Who carry gari?
Where get that gari? Who get that for gari?
Where you carry them go?
Where you go carry am? Who for that gari? Where you go carry am?
Na my bike.
Na your farm.
Na my bike for gari.
Okay, where you go carry am for farm? Where?
For farm. No, for farm.
Where you know where you carry am?
You know where you carry am.
You know where you carry am for gari?
the carrier for Gary, no, not for California.
Where they foresee this bullet? Not be you carry the go there. Not be you carry the go share city.
Okay, now you the go now.
When we talk, some people say we dey talk. Either, oh, you be APC, you be PDP, you be Labour Party. I don't belong to any political party, and I'm not willing to join anytime soon, or probably not at all. Yes, because I'm telling you, the problem that we have in Nigeria is because some of you belong to A party, B party, C party. The truth cannot be spilled out anymore. As we are speaking right now, there's no single security in my state, Edo State. Fulani Herdsmen, which some of satanic people or satanic government are saying they are hunters. Hunters who carry gun. Whereas you that is not even hunter or anything, you are not allowed to carry torchlight or talk like say dagger. But they say some people are allowed to carry gun, whether a gay gun or big gun or satanic gun, anyhow you call the gun. You are allowed to hunt. Hunter to transfer, to transmit, or to travel from one state to another with a weapon. Anyhow, you try to define the weapon. Weapon is a weapon. Now, who gives them the right according to the Constitution of Nigeria? Constitution has said, 1999 Constitution has amended that one particular person is allowed to carry a weapon to cross one state to another in the name of hunter. You see? What will they call these particular people who are so? Will they call them hunter or hunter wives? If they see so, because this confession now can be changed tomorrow. Once they don't take the entire one corner now, they will change everything. Edo people, the words I have for you guys is to protect yourself. Yes, the government are not ready to protect you. Okpebolo is not ready to protect you. With the way things are going on, I'm telling you, this satanic Okpebolo satanic government doesn't look like anything that will be good at all. Yes, they have started with touting, they have started with agbeorism, they have started with killers, in fact, anything to talk with bad thing right now. This is what Okpebolo starts with. It's obvious that Okpebolo is desperate right now to make sure he succeeds, either in court or in Supreme Court, to make sure that he rules Edo State. And anybody that is desperate can go any length to acquire their desperation. Okpebolo at this particular moment cannot be trusted. I'm telling you guys, any government that you are clamoring for, that you are singing their praises, you will live to regret you supporting them. I'm sorry, these guys don't mean well for you. They only recycling themselves since Nigeria was created to cause pain, excruciating situation upon you and I and all Nigerians as a whole. My people, what do I know? Like our videos, join us every day on our live broadcast. This is NAIJA Watch Media. Take care and bye for now.